Good morning students, and today I am going to discuss uses of present continuous tense. As we have discussed already that the action taking place at the time of speaking or action in continuity or action in progress at the time of speaking expresses present continuous tense. We use is, am and are as helping verbs in the structure of present continuous tense before V1, first form of verb plus ing, means V4. B plus V4 is the basic structure of present continuous tense. In this way, let us see where do we use present continuous tense structure. First of all, we use present continuous tense structure to express an action that is in progress at the time of speaking. For example, at present I am teaching English. उसी समय मैं बोल रहा हूं, उसी समय टीचिंग का जो एक्शन है वो इन प्रोग्रेस है, इन कंटिन्यूटी है. That's why I can say that we use present continuous tense to express an action that is in progress at the time of speaking. Let us take a few examples. Look. The first word look. Look means उसी समय मैं उसका ध्यान आकर्षित कर रहा हूं. Look, it means something is in progress. Action is in progress. Look, the policeman is coming this side. मान लीजिए कि दो चोर आपस में बातें कर रहे हैं या कोई दो बाइकर आपस में बातें कर रहे हैं and one of them is saying to other, look, the policeman is coming this side. In this way, action of coming of the policeman is taking place, is in progress at the time of speaking of one of them. Another is, it is raining outside. I am speaking at the same time when it is raining outside. We can start a subject with it. So this is an indication. Look, it becomes an indication which tells us about the use of present progressive tense or present continuous tense. Next example is action going on over a period of time. बहुत सारे एक्शन ऐसे होते हैं which take a lot of time to complete. For example, अगर कोई अपना मकान बना रहा है तो मकान तो एक दिन में तो पूरा नहीं हो सकता, नहीं ना? इसलिए it will take a lot of time. It might take 1 year, 2 year time. That's why, but the action of construction of a house is in progress. अब मान लीजिए दो फ्रेंड्स आपस में बहुत दिनों बाद मिलते हैं. एक फ्रेंड दूसरे फ्रेंड से पूछता है, कहां रहते हो, आजकल दिखाई नहीं देते. ओ यार, आई एम बिजी. वेयर आर यू बिजी? आई एम कंस्ट्रक्टिंग माई हाउस दीज डेज. और आई एम कंस्ट्रक्टिंग माई हाउस nowadays. For example, he is constructing his house these days. हालांकि at the time of speaking the construction is not going on, but the construction of a house is a long process and that is under progress. The construction process is going on. Action of construction is going on. That's why he says he is constructing his house these days. Let us take one more example. मान लीजिए मैंने कोई बुक अभी पढ़नी शुरू की है और for example Wings of Fire written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. अब I can't read this book in a day. It will take a few days. That's why, what are you reading these days? I am reading Wings of Fire by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam these days. Action of reading of Wings of Fire is going on, is in progress. Or I am learning English nowadays. I am shooting some videos nowadays. In this way, for an action that is in progress over a period of time, we use present continuous tense. Third is to express a future action. If an action is planned in future, for example, to express a future action, we use present continuous tense. To express a future action, we use present continuous tense. फिर से ध्यान दीजिए, एक्शन फ्यूचर में होगा लेकिन हम उसको प्रेजेंट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस से भी एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. कैसे? आई एम गोइंग टू दिल्ली नेक्स्ट वीक. व्हेन आर यू गोइंग टू दिल्ली? और व्हेन विल यू गो टू दिल्ली? बट आई कैन से द सेम थिंग यूजिंग प्रेजेंट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस because this action of going to Delhi is planned, a planned action, and it will take place in future. I can say I am going to Delhi next week. This time phrase tells us about the action that will take place in future. Next means agle saptah. It will take place in future, but I can express this activity or this action in present continuous tense. Next is wait. I am just coming. कोई मुझसे मिलने आया लेकिन मुझे कोई उससे भी ज्यादा जरूरी काम है 1-2 मिनट के लिए, तो मैं उसे कह सकता हूं वेट. आई एम जस्ट कमिंग. आऊंगा कब? फ्यूचर में. बट इट इज प्लैंड. प्लैंड है कि वो आया है तो मुझसे मिलने आऊंगा. वेट, आई एम जस्ट कमिंग. इन दिस वे वी कैन यूज present continuous tense to express a future action. Next is it plus a future action. We can express a future action with the subject it. For example, we use to infinitive in all the sentences expressed in present continuous tense and started with it. For example, it is going to rain tonight. मान लीजिए आज शाम को बहुत सारा मौसम जो है वो बहुत अधिक क्लाउडी है. There are clouds in the sky. The sky is cloudy. तो हम कह सकते हैं it is going to rain tonight. आज रात को वर्षा होने वाली है. वर्षा होगी कब? फ्यूचर में. But I can express this future action in present continuous tense. In this way, we can express these 4 types of actions in present continuous tense using is-am-are plus V4. I have already told you that to make a sentence into or to change a sentence into negative, we use not after helping verb and before main verb. Let us take an example. I am reading a book. If I have to change it into negative, I am not reading a book. Again, if I have to change it into interrogative, change the position of helping verb and subject. This is the subject, take it here. Am I reading a book? Am I not reading a book? In this way, we can change all the 4 types of sentences in present continuous tense. Now, let us discuss one more important thing. Yes, one more future action. I am going to face an interview next week. When are you going to face your interview? I am going to face an interview next week. It is fixed. I have received the letter of interview. I have received the date and time of interview. That's why I can say I am going to face an interview next week. In this way, we can express these actions in present continuous tense. Now, I would like to tell you about some verbs which are never used in present continuous tense. Means they don't have ing form. We can't add ing to these verbs. These verbs are sense, related with sense verbs, feeling, thinking verbs, or some other verbs. In case of sense, for example, see, hear, smell, taste. I can't or we can't use ing with these verbs to make them into present continuous tense. We can't use their ing form in present continuous tense because they are sense verbs. I can't say I am seeing you. This is a wrong pattern. दिस इज ए रॉन्ग स्ट्रक्चर। इसके बजाय मुझे कहना पड़ेगा आई सी यू, और आई एम हियरिंग यू इज ए रॉन्ग स्ट्रक्चर, आई हियर यू। आई एम स्मेलिंग, नो दिस इज रॉन्ग स्ट्रक्चर, आई स्मेल। In the same way, verbs expressing feeling. Feeling verbs. For example, love, hate, wish, hope. I cannot say I am loving. No. I am loving my son. I can't say this. I have to say I love my son. I can't say I am hating him. I can't say like this. I will say I hate him. In the same way, I can't say I am wishing you. I wish you is the right structure. In the same way, some verbs are known as thinking verbs. For example, know, think, believe, understand. I cannot use this pattern in present continuous tense by adding ing to these verbs. I can't say understanding in present continuous form. I can't say I am understanding the concept. No, I understand the concept. I can't say I am believing in God. No, this is not a process. I believe in God. I am thinking for this. No, I think. Or I am knowing you. मैं तुम्हें जान रहा हूं. This is not a structure. Keep this thing in your mind. With these thinking verbs, we can't use their continuous form. In the same way, there are some other forms also. For example, look, same, like, belong, on. Let us take some structures. I cannot say you are looking, you are seeming sad. This is a wrong structure. You seem sad. He seems happy. Not he is seeming happy. This is wrong. Next is like. I cannot say I am liking you. I have to say I like you. I like it, not liking. In the same way, I can't use belonging in present continuous tense. I am belonging to that village. No, I belong to so and so village. Or I can't use own in continuous form. I am owning a flat. No, I own a flat. I can say like this. In this way, these verbs, sense verbs, feeling verbs, thinking verbs, and some other verbs are never used in present continuous form, means in V4 form. If we have to use these forms, we must use them in simple present tense. In this way, we have discussed about the uses of present continuous tense. Its keywords are now, at present, presently, these days, nowadays. जिन भी sentences में आपको ये keywords मिलें, तो ये हमें indicate करेंगे कि we have to use is MR plus V1 ing. We have to use present continuous tense. आशा करता हूं present continuous tense का concept और उसका use आपको समझ आया होगा. Thank you very much.